pressure wash it. Not bad for 11 years. Start this thing up. Please start. Please start. Joystick wasn't in neutral. So since the chopper's been sitting for 3 weeks, just running the auto loop and making sure that there's grease in everything. I'm gonna pull the processor out so it's not gonna get greased again, and I'd rather run the auto loop for 5 minutes and get some grease in there before we wash it and whatnot. Yeah, it's just there's a little bit of water or something that got in there. It's just better if there's grease in there. So let this thing run for 5 minutes here with the auto loop going, and yeah, just reversing the head to make sure that there's not some stuff, or making sure I'm reversing the head to make sure that there's any leaves or whatnot stuck. It's a little easier to wash. To wash this head, we just lift it up with the payloader and fire hose it, and then we'll pressure wash it. Yeah, it's just can't really get at washing it too good with it hooked up to the chopper. You can the front and whatnot, but yeah. So we'll unhook it here in a minute, and then pull the processor up to the shop, and then get this thing out of here. So we're gonna make do with this shop. There's not a lot of room in here. This is the shop that I grew up working at, and the shop at my place. Well, it used to be a driving shed, and it was cheaper for us just to insulate it and make that into our shop than build another whole new shop. So yeah, I have quite the upgrade, but you're probably wondering why I'm not doing this at my place. The distance between the farms is like 25 kilometers, so the chopper's here. I have all the tools I need to get the processor out. We'll strip the chopper down and then wash it over here tomorrow. The mowers are here, the merger's here, and what else is here? Anyways, goal is get the chopper, the mowers, and the merger washed and oiled and put away. This thing's going in for an inspection here this fall, see what it all needs, because yeah, we are planning on keeping it. It's been a really good chopper to us, so there's no point in upgrading. But yeah, we'll strip all the shields off so it's easier to wash, take the KP out, and yeah, that's the start of it, I guess. Knives are still really sharp. Stone still looks good. Okay, yeah, just more shields coming off, and gotta lift that up, pull the bolt out. That's a winch to lift the kernel processor out. Lift the belt up. You guys can't really see under there. This is probably better. The kernel processor sits between the accelerator or the blower and the cutter head here. Drives off the pull or the accelerator belt pulley, which drives the processor. So we have to lift it up, take the belt off, take the bolts for the sliding rails off, and then we can lower it. But well, and then we have to take the chute off down there, and then lift it up and then lower it. It's always way faster taking it out than it is putting it in. But this thing's gonna die here. I only have 20% battery left, so I'll kind of show you what it looks like after I'm done. As you can see, I'm kind of dirty. Got the processor out in half an hour, which was really nice. But yeah, I just spent the last 2 hours crawling underneath there and blowing all of this stuff out. Yeah, I got half of it in my eyes. I think I should have just brought my face mask, but yeah, we're ready to wash it tomorrow. Blew most of it off. It's easier to blow stuff off than wash stuff off. So that's why I spent as long as I did doing that. Pretty happy with it. So yeah, tomorrow we'll foam and scrub and pressure wash it, put everything back on it, and send it to John Deere for an inspection. Bit of a gong show. Morning. So what we got going on today is we're gonna wash the hay equipment. Wash the chopper, the corn head. Well, it's not hay equipment, but the mowers and the merger, and store them away nicely in the shed across from the home farm. Just getting everything set up this morning. Eric's gonna go hook the mowers up. Just gonna soak everything down so it's easier to wash. Not bad for 11 years. All done. Got the chopper washed, the corn head washed, the mowers washed, and the mergers washed. Oiled underneath the mowers because it's all shiny steel and it'll rust. Merger's all oiled up. Yeah, this would be the 5th year with the mowers, the 7th year with the merger, and the corn head would be 11 years old, I think. So yeah, the corn head's been great to us. I think this was the 11th year with it. Chopper's been really good. Merger's been really good. Having some electrical issues with left and right, but it seems to be a little bit of a common issue with these 700s. And yeah, These are Pottinger S10 triple mowers with a 301 front mower, and they've been really good. So, yeah, year 5, year 7, and that was the 11th year. 11 or 12th year. So we'll go take a road trip, and a short one, drop the chopper off at the local John Deere dealership. So we drop the chopper off. That is a nice unit. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. Come, Mika!